So, Probet class first seat here at Tubod, Lanao del Norte. So, nandyan, Glenn Aguilar, Ted Conde, Tristan Galanto, kinsa man ni guys. Bag na si Blanca Flor dito. And then, para nandyan si Coach Joby Saulog.
Oy, kapatid na si Kim, welcome sa kanyang official mechanic. Mga Balay City.
Sino to iba guys? Hindi ko kilala.
Dani at Madam.
Tawara! Allah! Oscar na shot. Para nandyan si Bebet. Oy! Oy! Parang si Arnie Lagnet. Wow! It's Glenn Aguilar on the lane. Diloy.
Berarti Arnen lang ang gulchat.
Pero Glenn Aguilar oh.
Diba?
J1. Kung number 18 ang kilin eh, Joby.
35?
Ay, 13. Arnel Lagnet. Arnel. Naraday si Coach Joby. Nagkaguliyang.
Dito ka, ulit kami.
Bebet, layo si Bebet. Glenn Aguilar on the lead for Probet. Web. Woo! It's Bebet de la Cruz. Third. And Arnel Lagnet, Ted Conde. Wow, Arturo and Coreyes. Jojo Bagaina. Coach Joby Saulog, Rodel Cameros. Tristan Galanto. Wohoho. Si Carl Amoroso. Oh. So, still on the lead. Iniiwan silang lahat ni Dagot guys. Bebet de la Cruz on second. Wow. Dagot on the lead. Grabe. Ilubag pa. Wow! Glenn Aguilar! Followed by Bebet de la Cruz. Ayun no? J. Ocaban on third. At third, fourth, it's Ted Conde. So, Alto 5. And then Bo Reyes. Coach Joby Saulog. And then Timoy Oldomes. Nawala si Arturo Alegre. Tara, Rodel Cameros. Nandyan RC 205. Ayan, Glenn Aguilar. Breakaway na, Glenn Aguilar. Wow. Ayun no. It's RC 205 nandyan guys. The comeback. So Glenn Aguilar breakaway na kanina pa. Overlap. The play! Wow! Iniiwan silang lahat guys. It's Bebet de la Cruz. Ted Conde. Coach Joby Saulog. Timoy Oldomes. Siya to guys. Maestro Jorbel Ricare, andyan, Engineer Piping Mar, Calamoroso. White flag for the goat. White flag for the goat. Malayo yung second guys, Bebet de la Cruz. Tablin! Wow, grabe. Timpo no? Ayan. Si Toto, Ted Conde. It's Boreas. And then Coach Joby Saulog. Ayun no? Wow. And Arnie Lacni. Timoyo Gomez. White flag na guys, white flag na. Jojo Bagay na. Maestro Jorbel Ricare, Tristan Galanto, RC 205, Brodel Cameros. Ayun no? Checkered flag for the goal! Ah, grabe. Bebet de la Cruz and Kaban. Ah, grabe. Trix pa oh, Bebet de la Cruz oh, Trix. Ted Conde on fourth. Ikalima, Boreas. Checker. And 6 it's Coach Joby Saulog. And then Arnel Ahmed, Timoyo Gomez. Checker guys. Jojo Bagay na, Tristan Galanto, Maestro Jorbel Ricare, checkered flag.